Invention of thermometer. In 1714, Dutch scientist and inventor Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit invented the first reliable thermometer. He used mercury instead of alcohol and water mixtures. In 1724, he proposed a temperature scale which now bears his name called Fahrenheit scale. Mercury is the only one in liquid state at room temperature. Mercury used in thermometers because it has high coefficient of expansion. Invention of radio valves. Radio valves are invented by John Ambrose Fleming in Britain. Although the valve was first invented in 1904 and it was not widely used until the 1910s. Most practical high-frequency electronic amplifiers were made using thermoionic valves. The simplest valve, a name called diode because it had two electrodes, that was invented by John Ambrose Fleming while working for the Marconi Company in London in 1904. Invention of pocket watch. The first pocket watch was invented by German watchmaker named Peter Henlein in 1510. By utilizing the recent advancements in mainsprings, Peter was able to create a smaller watch design that was not possible before. Before the invention of the wristwatch, he had the pendant or pocket watches designed to hang from a chain. Pocket watches were first created and popularized during the 16th century. The oldest pocket watch that still works is the spherical Melanchthon watch from 1530. Invention of logarithms and decimal points. John Napier is best known as the discoverer of logarithms in 1614. He also invented the so-called Napier's bones and made common the use of the point in logarithmic and mathematics. He also created the so-called Napier's bones and made common the use of the decimal point in arithmetic and mathematics. John Napier was Scottish mathematician. His purpose was to assist in the multiplication of quantities that were then called signs. Decimal fractions had already been introduced by the Flemish mathematician Simon Stevin in 1586. The word logarithm came from the Greek words for ratios and number. Ratio, the meaning of ratio in Greek language is logos, and the meaning of algorithms in Greek language is number. Automatic calculator. Invention of automatic calculator. The first automatic calculator was invented by mathematician Blaise Pascal in 1642 in France. The Pascaline was designed and built by the French mathematician philosopher Blaise Pascal between 1642 and 1644. Chickard built two calculators around 1623, one for his astronomer friend Johannes Kepler. He was destroyed by fire. Pascal's calculator, also known as the arithmetic machine and Pascaline. Pascal's calculator is a mechanical calculator. It was invented by Blaise Pascal in the early 17th century. Invention of adding machine. In 1642, Blaise Pascal was developed adding machine for the first time. For this invention, he regarded as the inventor. He was 19 years old at the time of his invention. Pascal's machine used gears and could add and subtract. Shakuntala Devi was the first inventor of the calculator in India. However, adding machine, later called as calculator, full form of machine was M for mechanical, A for apparatus that. Invention of barometer. The mercury barometer is the oldest type of barometer invented by the Italian physicist name called Evangelista Torricelli. In 1643, Torricelli conducted his first barometer experiments using a tube of water. In this barometer, he produced a vacuum by filling a glass tube with mercury, inverting it, and then submerging the open end in a vessel of mercury. Torricelli, a student of Galileo, invented the mercury barometer in 1643. A new type of barometer invented by the Russian chemist Mendeleev. Invention of an air pump. Otto van Guericke invented the world's first air pump in 1650. He was a German scholar who lived in between 1602 to 1686. He is regarded as one of the most prominent figures of the scientific revolution in the 17th century. He was a politician, physicist, engineer, and a natural philosopher. He was invented the first air pump was used to study the phenomenon of vacuum and the role of air in combustion and respiration. Guericke placed two 20-inch copper hemispheres together and used his pump to remove the air inside. Invention of bacteria. Antony van Leeuwenhoek was discovered bacteria in 1676. Leeuwenhoek is universally acknowledged as the father of microbiology. He discovered both protists and bacteria. Christian Gottfried Ehrenberg introduced the word bacterium in 1826. In 1676, Van Leeuwenhoek observed water closely and was surprised to see tiny organisms. Louis Pasteur was the father of microbiology because of his many contributions to the science. Invention of pendulum clock. In 1656, Dutch mathematician, astronomer, physicist, and horologist Christian Huygens, he was invented the pendulum clock in 1656 and patented in 1657. The Italian scientist Galileo first noted the pendulum's period by comparing the movement of a swinging lamp in a Pisa cathedral with his pulse rate. Galileo demonstrated at the Tower of Pisa that falling bodies of different weights descend at the same rate. He invented pendulum clock to help reduce the amount of time lost when keeping time. Invention of gravity and reflecting telescope. Sir Isaac Newton discovered the laws of gravity and motion and invented calculus. He believed that he alone was able to understand God's creation. He was an England scientist. In India, in 7th century, Indian astronomer Brahmagupta spoke of gravity as an attractive force. Isaac Newton is popularly remembered as the man who saw an apple fall from a tree and was inspired to invent the theory of gravity. He also invented calculus and the 3 laws of motion upon which all of mechanics is based. Invention of reflecting telescope. In 1668, Isaac Newton devised a reflecting telescope. Instead of a lens, he used a single curved main mirror together with a smaller flat mirror. The Newtonian telescope was the first successful reflecting telescope completed by Isaac Newton. It usually has a paraboloidal primary mirror but at focal ratio of f/8, or in other words, longer a spherical primary mirror. This telescope is sufficient for high visual resolution. Invention of clarinet. Clarinet is an musical instrument. The clarinet was invented by Johann Christoph Denier in 17th century in 1619. The clarinet is a family of woodwind instruments. It has a single reed mouthpiece. A person who plays a clarinet is called a clarinetist. Johann Christoph Denier is generally believed to have invented the clarinet in Germany around the year 1700s by adding a register key to the earlier chalumeau, usually in the key of C. Over time, additional keywork and airtight pads were added to improve the tone and playability. Invention of steam engine. In 1698, Thomas Savery, an engineer and inventor, patented a machine that could effectively draw water from flooded mines using steam pressure. Savery used principles set forth by Denis Papin. Denis Papin, a French-born British physicist, Denis Papin invented the pressure cooker. The steam engine helped to power the Industrial Revolution. It also provided reliable power and could be used to power large machines. Steam power became the energy source for many machines and vehicles. The steam engine brought a more efficient way to power things such as boats and trains. This allowed goods to be transferred more effectively. Invention of centigrade scale. Anders Celsius, regarded as the founder of Swedish astronomy, he was best remembered as the inventor the Celsius temperature scale. He was best remembered as the inventor of the Celsius temperature scale. Later it was called as centigrade scale. On the centigrade scale, 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point of the water and 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of the water. In 1742, the Swedish astronomer Anders Celsius invented centigrade scale. The unit was called centigrade from the Latin centum, which means 100, and grades, which means steps. Thank you.